In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert and edit icons in rich text modules in Hubspot. To begin, open the editor for the asset you want to update. This can be a website page, a blog post, or a marketing email. Once you are in the editor, look for the rich text module where you want your icon to appear. Click directly inside that rich text area. This is important because it activates the formatting toolbar, which is where the icon tools live. If you do not click into the module first, you may not see the right options. With the rich text toolbar active, go to the Insert menu, then choose Icon. This opens the icon library built into Hubspot. From here, you can search the library to quickly narrow down your options. Use clear keywords related to what you need, like common objects or actions, so you can find a matching symbol faster. When you see the icon you want, click it to select it, then click Insert. The icon will be placed into your rich text content right where your cursor is. If you want the icon to sit nicely with surrounding text, make sure your cursor position is correct before inserting, since that controls where it appears. Next, click the icon inside the editor. When you select it, a small pop-up toolbar will appear. This pop-up gives you quick access to common adjustments. From here, you can start changing the icon's appearance and behavior. To refine the icon, update settings like color, size, or link. You can do this using the options in that pop-up toolbar, or by using the inspector panel on the right side of the editor. The inspector is useful when you want more space to work and clearer controls. For example, adjusting the size can help the icon match the text around it, and changing the color can help it align with your brand styling. Adding a link is helpful when you want the icon to act like a button or point people to another page. Once everything looks the way you want, save your work. If you are ready for the change to be visible to your audience, publish the page, post, or email. Saving keeps your edits, and publishing sets them live. That covers everything you need to know.